Hey my dear friend, you've got downright on the video that you need. In this episode I will talk about 10 life hacks that'll make your life easier and which you probably haven't thought about before. There's something unusual present in this video. Write in the comments about exactly what is the unusual part and when did you notice it while watching. But we're getting started. You've bought sunflower seeds or crisps and while opening the package this kind of tearing showed up on it, which rips along as easily as well as falling out components do too. Grab the package from one of the two sides and turn this rupture around. Now the package will be harder to tear apart and its components won't become a food for pigeons. In a hurry in the morning looking for socks and putting them on may take too much time. In order to take into account your future self in the evening of the day before, roll up your socks from the cuff towards the end around your toes. In that way you can put them even on a moist foot. Dents on a speaker can be fixed with a vacuum cleaner. Carefully and abruptly we turn on and turn off a vacuum on a low power setting in order not to damage the diaphragm, and the dent is gone as if it wasn't ever there before. You've bought a new device and now need to clamp wiring in a joint. Then take a thin scissor type lead and hook from the side a latch stone which is located parallel to the strap fastener's hanging side. It will go aside and you'll be able to widen it freely. While visiting a bathroom at a party, try to aim the current of your stream at as much of a blunt angle as possible on a toilet bowl side. Also turn on a tap and imitate washing your face with one hand. Write on your payment card and also on your parents' cards a wrong PIN code, trying to deform numbers as hard as you can in the process, so that you couldn't distinguish a 1 from a 7 and so on. If you happen to lose the card, it will get stuck in an ATM after a few attempts at guessing the code. In that way, intruder won't be able to cash out your money. If you happen to lose your key and urgently need to make a duplicate and it's not possible to do that nearby, rip off a can lid and put the key on top. Now using a compass, draw the outline of the key on the lid. After carefully cutting out tin plate, we get a simpler version of the original key that similarly is capable of opening the same lock at least once. Frequently after eating sweets, a fixed sour tinge is present in your mouth, and even brushing your teeth doesn't always solve this problem. Touch a surface of a baking soda powder with a clean finger and apply powder that has stuck to it on your tongue and rub it. Baking soda reacts with acids from waste products of bacteria in your mouth and neutralizes them. Occasionally waking up in the morning is really big torment. Although if you are very sleepy but need to get somewhere fast, you can use ammonia solution to freshen up. Thin ammonia plumes near a flask neck at a distance about 5 inches are enough for you to feel more awake and not enough to burn your nasal or oral mucosa. And it's best not to get too involved, as ammonia isn't exactly healthy for your body. And at last, when there's no rolling pin around, but you need to roll out a dough in some way, use a glass bottle with a straight side. And besides, this is a convenient and affordable option that will help you roll out the dough with ease. But that's about it. Tell me in the comments below about which life hacks you knew about before. Click the like button and subscribe if you want to thank me for all of the work done. Simple Maker was on the line as always. I will see you all in upcoming videos. Bye bye. Also, I would recommend my other videos which you can start to watch and enjoy by clicking the annotations.